Hi everyone! So this is a continuation of the last video that I did for NBeads. I did some little pumpkins and some little pumpkin witches. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to put these together. So I did little angel fairies, and then I just did little angels, and then I went ahead and I did these little fairies. So we're going to go ahead and put these together. So these are the flowers that I received from NBeads, and then these are the angel wings. And these I had received previously in another haul from them, and these are gorgeous. These are little iridescent clear beads. And then these are those little bead caps that look like little leaves that I thought would go really cute, you know, like little fairy garden type vibes. So let's get started here. To go ahead and put this one together, I have 50 mm ball head pins, which are these right here. So it has a little ball. And then these little flowers are actually pretty large, so you need to put a little stopper. So I use these little pearls right here, but honestly you can use some seed beads if that's what you have in your stash, or if you have a tiny little sequence, you can definitely use that as well. You just need something as a little stopper to keep the flowers from falling through the little head pin right here. And let's just dump some of these out. So I'll do like a pink on the bottom, and then we'll do like this light blue on top, like that. So you just stack it up, and then you're going to go ahead and we'll do this one. So here's just a bunch of little wings that I have. Let's try this one. So there's this double little leaf, or double little wing right here. Should I try this one? Let's try a heart one. Let's see how that looks. So this is like a little heart one. Oh, that's cute because the heart kind of looks like a little body. So we have that, and then we're going to go ahead and put the little head of our fairy, which are these little iridescent beads right here. So we're going to put one of those on. And then we're going to go ahead and take the little leafy bead cap and put that through there. There we go. So now we have our little fairy with our little flowers. Then I'm just going to take the head pin and I'm just going to roll these down. So start at the very edge of your wire and just keep rolling all the way down until you get to the bottom of your bead. There we go. So there we have our little fairy. Then we'll do the little angel right here. So again, we'll just take some of our beads. Maybe we'll do this neon yellow and a yellow. And these are the same thing, they're just in gold. So they are 50 mm ball head pins in gold. So I just straighten out the little wire. So let's see, we need our little bead cap here. So we're just going to put that through, put our flower through, put our next little flower through. Then we're going to go ahead and take our little angel wings, since we are making little angels. And put our wings through there. Then we need our little head for our angel. And then I need one of these. These are 8 mm, and the head right there is a 10 mm bead. But again, just use whatever you have in your stash. And we're going to put that there for the little halo. So there we have our little angel. Oh my gosh, I think this one is my favorite one. This all yellow and gold. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I think this is my favorite one yet. Then I'm just going to do the same thing, and I'm just going to roll the wire all the way down. And there we go. We have a little angel. Oh my gosh, I think this one is gorgeous. I love this yellow one. So that's how I put our little angels together right there. But you can definitely use the flowers as flowers, which I think I want to do one just as a flower. So I'm going to go ahead and take one of my head pins. I'm going to put one of the little pearls again. Let's take one. Let's do a purple one. Take one of these. Oh, see, that's cute just as a flower. I want to put another bead inside. Let me see. Let me get something out. I'm going to try it with the yellow. Let's see how that looks. No, that yellow clashes. Okay, that was a bad idea. Let me just get a white out of here. Put a white through there. Oh, that's going to be cute. Okay, let's roll this one down. And there we go. Now we have our little flower bead. I think that's cute. That's really cute. And then just go ahead and add that to a little chunky charm. So you can definitely use these flowers as just flowers, or you could go ahead and layer them the way I did and make a little angel or make a little fairy right here. So lots of little uses. These are super cute. Oh, even do some like little dangly legs coming out of the bottom of the little dress. That would be super cute too. Let me see. Okay, hold on. Okay, we're gonna experiment here. I don't know if this is gonna be long enough. It might be. So I'm gonna take again my little pearl that I was using for like a little stopper, and I'm gonna drop it down so it's kind of like a little fairy foot. And then I'm just going to go ahead and roll this back to make a little loop. And then I'm going to do another one the same way. So just take one of these. And then just a simple, just roll the wire back to make a little loop. See, nothing too crazy, just roll that on back. And then I'm going to take one of my eye pins here. Now this is a 3-inch. This is probably longer than what I actually need. But I'd rather have too much wire than not enough when I'm trying something out. So I'm just going to see right here where it opens. I'm just going to twist that open. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the little dangly feet on there. Let's add both of those on there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and twist this back close. There we go. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my little flowers here and feed that through. Oh, I think that's going to work to look like little feet. How cute. Okay, well, I did orange. Let me do like a yellow. So there's our little dangly feetsies. And we could do a fairy again. Let's do a little fairy here. Sort of take some little wings. I was trying to see if I wanted to change it up and try a different one. I think I'm going to try these wings. Let's see. Oh yeah, those are cool. So take the little wings. Then we'll take a bead for the head. And then we'll take another one of these bead caps. So it's a little fairy. Look at how cute that is. We could probably even do little arms doing the same concept and put them up here. So there is just our little feetsy dangly fairy. But I think we'll do some arms. Let me try that as well. Okay, so I did the same thing as the feet. I just put one little bead and then rolled it back. So that way we could go ahead and try it. So here is our little fairy with just 2 little dangly legs. But I definitely want to see what it would look like with little arms. So I'm going to take off the cap and the wings. And let's string these on here. And see how it looks. So we'll put those there like little arms. Let's add her wings back on. Then the little head bead and the little bead cap. And let's see. I think that's gonna be cute. We'll just need to bend her arms down. So let me wire wrap this really fast. And then we're gonna have a lot of extra wire here to go ahead and cut off. So since this one's long, I could go ahead and just wrap it with my fingers, and then I'm gonna have to go ahead and cut off some of this extra wire. So I like to wrap it at least 3 times. And then I have all this extra wire right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this off. Right there. I'm going to hold that, and then I'm going to take that last little bit. See, there's a little bit of extra wire there. I'm just going to take this and roll it the rest of the way there. And then for the arms are sticking like pretty straight out. So I'm going to take my round pliers and just kind of bend it down a little bit. Just kind of like round them out. I don't know if I like that now. I don't know if they really look like little arms. Yeah, I guess they do. So there we go. So we have our 2 little legs, then our little body with our little arms, our wings. So there is our little fairy. This is still sticking out up here. I needed more flush cutters, but I'll finish wrapping it right now. But yeah, so there are our little designs. So we can just use the flower as just a little flower, or we can make some little angels and some little fairies. And there's our little design. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys were inspired. I'll leave a link down below with all these products, and I'll also leave the link to my coupon code that I have with them, so you guys could go ahead and check them out. Hope you're all having a beautiful day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.